In this video, you learn how to add rounded corners to a shape. Here you see two layers. The first one is a black background which fills the whole canvas. The other one is a white rectangle with sharp corners. When it's selected, go to the Select menu and choose Rounded Rectangle. Here you can choose a specific radius. Click on OK to apply. But as you can see, the rounded corners are at the edges of the canvas and not in the smaller white rectangle. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo this. Now click the right mouse button on the white rectangle layer and select Alpha to Selection. Then go to the Select menu and choose Rounded Rectangle again. Click on OK to apply. And you can see that the rounded corners have been selected correctly, but when you press Delete, the inside of the rectangle will be removed. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo this, and press Ctrl plus I to invert the selection. If you press Delete again now, the correct areas will be removed. So this is how you can add rounded edges to a shape in Gimp. For more interesting how-to videos, you can watch the other videos of this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.